They said using using the save as option, create a work copy of the workbook and name it my first week for Excel. You can save the copy of that copy to the folder of your choice on your computer. So we can just come here and we open Excel, new Excel. Then we go here. If you have a workbook, that is when you open Excel, you go to the blank workbook. So we save this workbook as our. We go to save as, then we go to save as, and then we browse where we want to save our thing, and then we rename here as my first week for Excel. So we choose the location, then we save. So from there you will see the name coming, so from there, this is book called my first week for Excel with sheet 1. Let us go continue answer the next part. Enter the data below as it appears on sheet 1. You name that sheet or name of your choice. So this is the data they told us to enter. The way it appears, you can see it is starting from row 4, column A. So this is how we supposed to enter this data. Let me try to copy it somewhere to save time. This is the data, so I will copy this. I can see it was starting from okay, let me copy it as cockpits before cancelling. I don't need this, I don't need even this, I don't even need this. No, this is what I want. So I'm gonna copy this, the paste. Oh, I cancelled the pasting. Let me go there first. Oh, this is the work. When I copy, then I go and paste where I want. But remember, it began from row 4. I paste from there. So I create a format. Then I'll make sure. Then yeah, you don't need. Maybe I don't need one of these. This one I don't need it. Don't save. So this is our workbook. This is our work. So let us go to our question and see how we can go, how we can do. So if we are to begin, we can see this one board, and if I'm not mistaken, the font style of this one was like font, whichever font, but make it appear like standing out. They are standing out headings. So let us try to go to our X and make them standing. Even the font size was somewhat big, so let us create. Let me choose Arial Black, maybe, and that is the font. They didn't bold, but maybe that's the font. They increased even somehow to make them big. So from there, I will select the entire work. I'll go to format and make sure the work is fitting within the cell. So from there, I think then the work is somehow resembling this one. We enter the title of our choice to this document in cell 1 and merge and center your title by extend the cell text section to cover your document. So let us go and make our title here. To write something, you can write anything of your choice, the seed of our choice. Then from there we can extend this title of ours, then we merge and center. That is it. They said extend the section to your entire document. So to your document, this is our document where our document is stopping. So we extend our section up to here, we merge and center our heading. We can even modify it. let us go and continue whether they gave us that. Then apply format to the title, bold 15.5 points, Times New Roman style and color white and fill color blue. So let us go and apply that. They said we select this. It's supposed to be 14.5. Let us write there for 15.5, I think. 15.5. So they said here Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Here it is Times New Roman. We press enter. Here they said let me first say do undo, then do of them. We go to our heading. Where is our heading? How is our heading? I think let me first do undo. Do you see this is our heading? So we select. After selecting, we make sure it is 15.5, then Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Press enter. Then from there they said color white, font color it is white. I think this is white. The field they said we must have blue. I think let us select this blue. Any blue. This is I think blue. Then they said another thing. I think that is what they wanted. 15.5 bold, color white and fill color blue. So we forgot to bold. Let us bold it. We go to our Excel. We select it. I think selected, then we bold it. So that is it. Another thing, apply the font to select D6 and type the word Excel. D6 and type the word Excel. D6. Column D, then 6. Column D and D6. This is D6. Then we type the word Excel. Excel. So from there, another question. We press enter to go to assign that word there. Use the find and replace to replace the waiting with the on hold. On hold, then we go here, our workbook. Here we go to home tab. Then the editing part is what you call find and replace. So we do find and replace. We are finding waiting. Waiting. We are finding that word waiting. Then we replace with on hold. Then we find all. They said we couldn't find anything. We make sure find any. Try to find all. It's not working. Matches the entire contact and all. So maybe the SP here. Let me try to. Let me try to close this one. I highlight this one. I copy. Then I come here and I paste this what they told us to. Then I find all. Just find it. So maybe this my SP was wrong. So from finding, I want to find all. Then replace. Find next. Then find all. Then replace. I replace one by one. Then I can replace all at once. Yes, they have made 14 replacement. Then I close. So this is it. I think they have replaced everything. So this is how we can do find and replace. Another question, they said we clear content in row 14. We go to our Excel. There is row 14. We clear content. We go here and clear content, the clear content. That is it. Another question, using either cut or paste or drag and move the content of row 18 to 14. So we can use this. We can select the entire row, then we remove our cursor. When it turns to, we can just drag and move the content to go in that row. So from there they said use the fill handle to put A in from F9 to F18. So we go to F9. Here is our F9. I think F9 is here, then to F19. So F18 I think, and stops here, or is empty. I think that is it. So another question was telling us to modify row height for column 3 to 22.5, column 3, and to row 3, modify the row height for row 3. So we go to row 3, where is it? Here, highlight it, then go here. Here there is format, then you find what you call row height, then there you type what they told you, 22.5, press enter. They said you cannot because an integer. Okay, row height 22.5, then you click OK, and you see the entry cannot be used. An integer or decimal point may be required. Oh, I just write something different. I need a 0.5. So from there you got it. Okay, another question. They said delete row 10. We go to row 10. Where is row 10? Here is our row 10. We go here, you can use here, then we clear everything, because they said delete row 10. But another option, you can say right click there, then go to delete, or we can delete from here. So you can choose anything which is simple for you. So after selecting row 10, come here and delete, it will go. So the content will just shift. You will not see the difference. If you consider this one, you will not see the difference, but the content has disappeared if you are keen. So the content which was below, it moved to 10. So 10 has disappeared completely with its content. So that is it. If you want it to remain there, you just use this option to clear content until it stay there. But they said clear the entire row. So that was supposed to be done. So another question, insert a column to the left of insert a column to the left of C. Insert a column to the left of C, then you type the word call Excel content in C2. So we have here C here. If you want to create any column before C, you select C, right click or just click insert, or Control Shift plus, it will insert for you. You can insert there, you can just press there, it will insert for you. Then in C2 we type the word C2 Excel content, Excel content, Excel content, Excel content, Excel content, maybe that one. From there they said Excel content, then in the cell, and make sure that cell is still selected, choose wrap text. So when it is still selected, here we are inside the cell, we cannot apply wrap text is not working, but we click away and we make come back. There we can apply wrap text, because they said make sure the cell is still selected and apply wrap text. So we come here and we tick there, so it's okay now. It is wrap text now is applied. Let us try to adjust manually and we see the change. Okay, not seeing the change, so I click on wrap text, it will come and cause the change. So from there they said merge and center cell A2 and B2, A2 and B2, A to B2, from A2 to B2, from A2 to B2. So that is, we can merge, we can just merge and center because nothing there, but they said merge cells, so we merge cells. That is it. So another question was telling us to auto fit column widths for the entire work. So we select our entire work, we make sure we go to format, then auto fit column width, it will adjust accordingly. So we go to another option, insert two columns next to E. So enter the data January and December respectively. Make sure those headings are in low 3. So we go here, they said we insert two columns next to E. Insert two columns next to E. If you want column next to E, which means we can either decide before E or after E. But if you want after E, then we select F, then we insert. We click insert again for the second time, then we get 2 columns. So from there they said we rate something there, January and December, but we make sure it is in column row 3. So January, maybe something January, then December. Okay, from there the next question was telling us to make sure cells C2 respectively, then change the cell style in cell 14 to give in cell 4 to give 4 to accent 3. So we go to our worksheet, F4 is here and G4 here. We go to cell style here, which is very easy. Look where there is cell style, go to cell style, then look where there is accent 3. This is accent 3, apply that one. So we can even get it from here, fill, we can get that color from here. I think if you were to move, you can see the names. Where is the accent? I'm not seeing that name, but there must be here some names. If you move your cursor, if you are keen, you can see the name. So that is it. The easiest way is to go to cell styles, then you get it from there. Here you just move your cursor and you get it, but they are not canning the names. Another thing is change the font size of the low 4 to 20 size. So you go to low 4, we select it, we go to format, we go to low height, then we write 20 there, 20, then we press enter, it will adjust accordingly. So that is the question. So another thing, change the width of column F to 30. We go to column width, column that is column F. We highlight, make sure it is highlighted, go to format, then go to column width, then read there the word 30. Press enter, it will adjust accordingly. So from there, the question, another question, bold underline the text in row 4. So we go to row 4, we make sure it is selected. No, we select only the entire work we are using. So this is where our work stops. We make sure it is bold. It's already bold. We can see it is highlighted. So that is the question. Make sure it is bold and underlined. So they said bold and underline the text in row 4. So we select the entire row, because they said the entire row. So make sure the entire row is selected. So when it is selected, we make sure it is selected bold. We make sure it is bold. It is now bold, then underline. Now it's okay. So from there, another question was telling us to change the font color of row 1 to color blue. Row 1, they said row 1, so make sure you select row 1, the entire row 1, I think the entire row 1. Then they said make sure the background, the font style is blue. So the font style, this is the font style, this is background, this is the font style, so make sure it is blue. So this is blue. So from there they said select all the text in the workbook and select all the text in the worksheet, then change the horizontal alignment to center align and vertical alignment to the middle align. All the text in the workbook. This is the text in the workbook. Let us select all the text in the workbook. I think that is it. Yes, we have nothing here, so we must stop here. So let me select it again from the beginning. We select this from the entire work. This is our entire work. I think this is only the text they wanted. Up to here, we make sure it is selected, the entire work. So we go to alignment group, then we make sure vertically it is centered, horizontally it's centered, then vertically is also centered. Centered is the same as middle. So that is it. Then from there, center, then we make sure it is okay. We can see now everything is centered, middle, centered. That is the question, is requirement. Another thing, in cell L1, type the today's date and press enter. So we go to cell cell 1, L1, we look for this L1, L1, where is L1? Let us scroll. L1, then we type today's date. Today's date, what is today's date? I think it is 24 2025. Then they said after typing, press enter. Automatically this one will turn to date and time. That's when you press enter. So from there they said click on cell L1 and verify that it is good format and change the format along that. So we go to our question. When I click here, it is date. So they said we change to long date format. That is it. So then they said I'll insert a border of thick line blue, add line, then thin line pink. So we go to this work, we select our work. I think this is the end of our work. Yes, I think that is it. Let me confirm it is covering everything. Here it's okay, even here is okay. Then we go to borders, but they specified something. They said thick line blue color. Blue color. I'll choose this one. Outline, then thin line. Color. They said pink. I think this is pink. I don't know. Yes, let me assume that is pink. Then inside, then we see okay. That is it. Maybe that's the end of the question. Thanks for watching.